The installation of Northwood shakes or shingles panel is unique in that the lap joint is hidden in the ribs between the shake or shingle pattern. Positioning the laps in the rib area requires that special installation procedures be followed to maintain product performance and aesthetics. All lap joints are cut at a predetermined point on the panel during the manufacturing process. All male laps must be factory cut. Female laps may be field cut using the gap. However, do not cut along the edge of the gap. Leave 3/16 inch of the gap for the overlap. Install a level starter strip. Northwood's panels install from right to left. Install the first panel, allowing room for expansion and contraction in all accessory pockets. 1/4 inch if the ambient temperature is 40 degrees Fahrenheit or above, and 3/8 of an inch if it is below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Attach by first center pinning the panel. This helps prevent the rib width at the joint lap from becoming too wide or too narrow. To do this, locate the mark at the center of the panel. Using the nailing slot closest to the mark, either install a nail on both ends of the same slot, or drill a 3/16 inch hole through the hem and substrate and place a nail in this hole. Whichever method you use, do not drive the center pin nail or nails tight. Loose nail, leaving 1/8 to 1/16 inch gap between the nail head and panel. Position nails in the center of the remaining slots 16 inches apart. Loose nail these fasteners also to allow for expansion and contraction. Install the next panel to the left of the installed panel. Lap this panel over the installed panel, positioning the right edge of the panel to the appropriate temperature mark, which is located in the factory notch area. If the ambient temperature is less than 45 degrees Fahrenheit, lap the panel to the first 30-degree mark. If the ambient temperature is between 45 degrees to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, lap the panel to the second 65-degree mark. If the ambient temperature is greater than 80 degrees Fahrenheit, lap the panel to the third 100-degree mark. Fasten the panel the same as the first, remembering to center pin every panel. Offset the laps from course to course, a minimum of 2 feet. Start the next course of siding from the right side, repeating the earlier steps.